What is up, guys? So yeah, title pretty much explains itself. We went out to Lauren's parents' property to fly the Avata 2. Like I said in the first video of unboxing this thing, get the DJI Care. It's well worth it. It's 99 bucks. I believe it's $100 to replace a drone, or $50 for most damages to get them repaired. You do get it for about 4 different situations per se. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post a video afterwards of what happened. I will go ahead and post some footage I got of this thing prior to it happening, but don't know if you can see it here. Right here on this prop guard area, you see the cracks in it. It's not really cracks, it's just like the plastic band got out of shape. Don't know how to explain it. I'll go ahead and throw some pictures up right now. But yeah, we were having some fun. I was flying it with the actual controller, not with the joystick or free rein, whatever it's called, motion thing. Was in sport mode. I did not go to fully manual mode. I don't know how to do that yet, nor do I have any simulator experience. All in all, the thing is badass. I got up to like 30 miles an hour, 32 miles an hour, I think, in sport mode. Battery, I wouldn't say it lasts 23 minutes. Obviously, everything's hyped up pre-launch. I mean, I'm sure it's perfect conditions, in a wind tunnel, whatever the case could be, with no wind on. I probably would say I get about closer to like 16, 17 minutes. I did record with an SD card inside of the goggles, and I don't currently have an SD card for the drone. It does have 46 gigabytes of internal memory, which is honestly more than enough. I did film it on 4K 30, which I should have actually done for this video, but I'm filming this on the Sony A7 Mark IV on a 4K 24 frames per second. Yeah, so all in all, get the DJI Care refresh. It's obviously worth it. My plan honestly is, since I don't want to really use it for this, what I'm going to probably do is this little edge here, I'll probably sand it down, because I did fly it afterwards and the propeller actually shaved itself down. I'll go ahead and show you guys a close-up picture of it. But the propeller did shave itself down, and once it shaved itself down, it pretty much flew fine. I flew for another like 12 minutes afterwards. No complaints. The drone didn't complain about it. It didn't sound off or anything. But luckily we do have the DJI Care refresh, just in case something does happen again. But I will definitely be practicing my simulator from now on. We do have a trip planned to Utah in a few weeks here. I do hope to take this thing over there so we can get some dope ass cinematic shots, but as of right now, that's the update on day number 1. Alright guys, take care and catch you on the next one.